So, task that you're going to be doing, right? Over the next few lessons, or at least over the next few lessons with me, and as part of your homework, we're going to go through and put together something on plants, structure of plants, photosynthesis, leaf structure. Right, the first thing that you'll need to do, the sheet of A3, go. Take that part of it, you're going to fold it over about a third of the way. Right, about a third of the way. Right, next thing that you're going to do, right, I would suggest that you probably do this in pencil. Right, I'm only going to use a big thick black pen just to make it a bit clearer so you can see what I'm doing. Right, next you're going to draw very roughly just the structure of a plant, better than I'm doing. Right, so we're going to start off with your flower, your stem, your leaves, rubble, right, so soil, right, and your roots, right. You will spend more time doing that than I have. Right, on this first part, right, so you might want to do a little, right, plants. Right, you might want to go and label parts, right, flower, stem, leaf, roots. Right, so you'll label them. Right, then, as you go and open them up, there you're going to do a section on the flower. So stem, leaf, roots. Right, for each of these I want to know function. So what's there for? So for instance, the flower is there to attract insects to get pollen, and it lets the plant reproduce. How it's adapted. So your flower is going to have nectar to help attract the insects towards it. It's also going to be bright colours, because insects see things in ultraviolet, which will help attract them towards it. So its function and how it's adapted. Your stem's quite strong. The stem carries water. Carries nutrients. Right, we'll come on to what specific nutrients is a bit further down the line. The leaf going to talk about photosynthesis, and the roots, right, we need to talk about it absorbing water and minerals. Further down the line we'll go and we'll talk about root adaptations and root hair cells. So for each part, function, how it's adapted. Right, I'll go and I'll find the right parts out of the book that go through that. I also don't mind overly if you go and look things up on the internet. So that is the first part of how you're going to go and start putting this together.